Land Registry is a government agency responsible for registration of property ownership, safeguarding property worth over £8 trillion, and facilitating lending worth over £1 trillion. Prior to our implementation of Oracle, we had two different ERP systems. It was very difficult to get single source of the truth. We had inefficient processes in place which weren't fit for purpose. We spent lots of time trying to validate data when we couldn't make the right decisions on time, and we couldn't respond to market changes the way we wanted to. So we implemented Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP suite, which includes finance and project management. And then we implemented Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM Cloud suite. Since Go Live, we've added to our footprints. We've implemented Oracle Digital Assistant. We've implemented Oracle Document Intelligent Recognition. On top of that, we've added Oracle Guided Learning. That has actually delivered a lot of benefit to us because what we experience is a reduction of more than 50% in the number of queries. The way we use Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP suites and HCM is that we use them to process financial transactions, collect revenue. We also use it to meet statutory obligations for staff in terms of time and absence recording. It's increased the level of confidence in the data that each back office function rely on and present to the business. We reduced the finance close period from 5 days to 3 days. Almost 95% of invoices don't require human intervention because we completely automated that. The value of Oracle as a technology partner is that we now don't need to invest in, think about investing in hardware, think about security of hardware and data center. We can now focus on getting the value out of the system and focus on our business.